what's next to it. I don't know what it is either. It's a bit dusty now. Some interesting cars at this car place. Heartland Automotive, Independence, Missouri. Nice cars.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content and updates, mate. We really appreciate your support and hope you enjoy the ride.